Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to remove elements from photos in GIMP. So there is one really simple method that I recommend you to use. So for example, I would like to delete part of this element from the photo. So first we need to go to clone tool. So I click right mouse button here and I select here clone. Of course you can use shortcut from your keyboard, you can click C. And then you can change size, aspect ratio, angle, spacing and other settings of this effect. After that we need to press and hold Ctrl and then we need to click somewhere behind the area which we want to remove. So for example, I click somewhere here and then we can draw here to remove this object. So let's check how it works. So I will start it now. How you see, it works really perfect and the effect is really great. So I'm going to continue this process. So how you see, part of the object has been successfully deleted or removed from the image. So it is how it works. I think it may be a really useful effect in your projects. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.